This is my desk. This is my cat. And this is the Onvis K1 Khameleon light strip. We're going to add this to this today on Smart Home Solo. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We are taking a look at the Onvis K1 Khameleon LED light strip. This is a light strip that is compatible with Homekit, Google Home, Alexa, all the different major players there. And this is actually an addressable RGB light strip, which means that you can actually light up individual sections of this with different colors. The strip has different effects that you can do with the Onvis app. You can also set this up directly in Homekit once you're completed, but you're going to want to check out the app for this guy. Here we have the 5-meter light strip version. It also comes in a 2-meter version. You can pick up the light strip for about $69 on Amazon, but there's also a 20% coupon you can apply. And it's pretty cool. I really do like this light strip so far. I've been really checking it out. It's got different modes, different effects, different things you can do. And we'll jump into that here in just a second. But for right now, let's see what's inside the box. All right, we've got a really nice package here with a black background, which I really like. Onvis logo looks great. Compatible with HomeKit, Google Home, Alexa, all the major players. And it shows the different scenes and effects and things like that you can actually do with this light strip. All right, let's see what we have inside the box. We have the light strip itself. And then inside we have all the goodies. We have the controller here. We've got an Onvis manual. Toss the box aside for now. Okay, so let's take a look at the actual controller here first. Here comes the controller power unit. And it looks like it has a attachable outlet that's good for different countries and things like that. Here's the actual attachable outlet piece. Here's the power cable. Let's see if we makes a good connection there. And then we'll fit in the actual outlet piece into the AC adapter. Set that aside. Let's pop open the light strip. Oh boy. Nice little reel here, as expected. And then we also have a sticker for the control box as well. Inside we have some mounting equipment, it looks like. We'll set that here. Looks like we've got a 3M sticky tape on the back. Should be a very nice sticky tape. All right, let's light it up and see what happens. Turn on the controller. And holy cow, it's bright. It is bright. All right, why don't we hook it up and see some of the effects before we actually install it. See what it looks like on the actual spindle here. Looks really cool. And we're getting like this cool LED effect on the camera lens. You see that? All right, let's take a look at the Onvis app. This is the Onvis Home app. And let me tap on the light here. And you can see we've got different effects across the top. This is the paint mode where you can actually select a color and paint part of the light strip. And we'll update in the background. It's kind of hard to see because the light strip is actually so bright at this point that the iPhone was having problems picking this up. But it is a really cool feature that you can actually paint on the light strip and watch it change. All right, next up is music mode. And this is where the controller has a built-in microphone to pick up any ongoing audio in your space. There's different effects and modes and options that you can choose within music mode. And then one really nice feature of the app is you can actually just tap on the HomeKit button to add a custom scene to HomeKit. Next up is Twinkle Mode. If you tap on Twinkle Mode, you'll be presented with a list of different routines or random options that you can choose from. And then we have a security scene. Security is just blue and red lights that flash that you can add to your security scene for HomeKit or whatever your smart home setup is like. Then the final entry is presets. They are built-in presets that have been set up for you. You can swipe through and pick one that you really like. Next, we're going to install the strip lights. So we're going to start at this back right corner by the porg, work our way around the wall, using the wall as our guide, and install the strip lights behind the desk. All right, are you ready to check it out? Okay, here's the light strip actually installed around the back of the desk, and I think it looks pretty amazing, actually. Oh my gosh. This thing has so many crazy effects and cool things you can do with it. It's really cool, especially the music mode. I really am digging the music mode. In fact, in this shot, you can actually see the really cool reflections on the bottom of the floor, and you can also see Kenobi enjoying it. Setup inside the home app was pretty easy as far as just scanning the code and entering it into the home app. It immediately showed up, and there's my Onvis K1. I've added different scenes from the Onvis home app into HomeKit, so I can easily go in here and just tap on them. I can turn the light on and off just like a normal light. And then what's really nice is that you can edit these scenes in HomeKit to add your other accessories and things like that into the scene. So that way you can really set the mood that you're going for. So in conclusion, I think this is a really cool light strip. I highly recommend picking one up. I think that the effects and everything is really cool. It's probably not the brightest light strip out there, but it is a pretty decent price on Amazon. Like I said, there is a 20% discount going on right now if you want to check that out. I will drop an affiliate link in the description below. It will not cost you anything extra, and it will help the channel out. So go ahead and use that affiliate link if you want to check out the Onvis K1 light strip. I do want to say thank you, Onvis, for sending this over. Also, while you're here, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? But after that, check out this video over here. It's about how to get your Ring doorbell into HomeKit Secure video. It's a really cool video. I think you should check it out, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. As always, stay safe and keep it solo.